Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. This one might piss some people off. I'm just going to give one example. This is just one example. If you tell a guy that's younger than you, oh, I don't date younger guys, and the first thing they say is, oh, well, I could screw the heck out of you. Not realizing that makes them sound even more immature. Because someone's ability to have sex or pick you up, like as in lift you up, or like their strength, none of those things make them more of a man. Neither does how many women they've slept with, or how many women they can sleep with, or any of those things. None of those things are a sign of maturity. Same goes for women. How many men you sleep with does not make you more of a woman or more a mature woman. So, I just needed to say that. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.